Welcome everyone. The first step to access the SIM cards in your iPhone is just verify you have a physical SIM card slot on the device. So not all iPhones will have this, but what you're looking for is, you can see here this outline and a hole. Now don't mistake this for other holes which may be on the iPhone, okay? Because those holes, you see this one here, that's for the microphone. Alright, if you accidentally put a SIM ejector tool into these holes, don't worry, they are protected so you won't damage your device. So once we see an outline in the hole which looks like this, we need to get our SIM ejector tool. And to get this, this should be in your iPhone box. If you have your old iPhone box, just access that. If you don't have your old iPhone box, you can use a pin, a paper clip, or anything with a sharp end like this. You enter the sharp ends into the SIM tray hole and push down, alright? And then you have this SIM tray partially ejected, and you can use your fingernail to pull out the SIM tray, and there should be a SIM card in the SIM tray. Just put it on the table and then get the SIM card right here and put the tray back in. If you're having issues, make sure that the hole of the SIM tray matches the hole that you see in the iPhone, okay? So the hole is on the same, facing the same direction. So we can put this one in and then just rub it across to make sure everything is flush. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.